Congratulations on your new wellness sauna. Before you start, you will need a stepladder and a drill or screwdriver. Ensure all parts are present and review the safety instructions in your manual. First, place the floor panel where you'd like your sauna installed. Your sauna comes with a 3.5 metre power cord attached to the roof. You will need to ensure you can access a power outlet. Next, position the left side panel and slide it into the base plate. Repeat with the back panel, securing it to the left panel using the clasps. Slide in the bench seat front panel, then plug in the heating cords. Place the seat bench top into position. Raise the right side panel, clasping it securely to the back panel. Raise the front panel, clasping it securely to the left and right side panels. Assemble and install the door handle with a screwdriver. Carefully lift the roof onto the sauna, threading through the required cords. Finally, connect the heater and LED light cords to the power unit on the roof. For power considerations and detailed operational use of your sauna's features, consult your user manual. Enjoy your new wellness sauna.